Yo, what's up guys? Joey here. Welcome back to another PC build. I hope you guys are doing well. So a lot of you guys commented that we do an RTX 2060 build. So we just recently passed 300K subscribers here on the channel. Wow, your guys' support means the world to me. That's awesome. But yeah, guys, in celebration of 300K, we're gonna be doing the first ever giveaway here on the channel. What are we giving away? An RTX 2060 Founders Edition. How did I get my hands on this thing? Well, actually, Nvidia reached out and sent it over, and I'm gonna give it away to you guys. All you have to do to enter is go over to my Instagram and like my bathroom selfie. That will automatically enter you to win this RTX 2060 Founders Edition. So like it and then comment down below best bathroom selfie of 2019. And you're automatically entered for a chance to win. We're just doing the giveaway as a thank you from me to you guys. It is going to be open internationally. So before we start building this thing, I just want to give a big thank you to Nvidia for reaching out and inviting me over to EA's campus, where I got the opportunity to play Anthem ahead of release date along with a lot of other YouTubers. Met some pretty cool people there. I'll overlay some B-roll footage for you guys right now. It was dope. I had a great time. Thank you so much, Nvidia. Not only did they fly me out there, but they also paid for my hotel. It was dope. I had a really great time. That's the first time I've ever had a company fly me out and pay for a hotel. Oh my God, it was so cool. Oh my God. And also a big thanks to EA for actually hosting the event and supplying all the delicious and nutritious food. But yeah, guys, everyone there was pretty much a YouTube gamer or streamer. And when companies want to promote their game, well, they host these events where they give them the chance to play it early access. And well, that's what I did, and it was awesome. But I was there through Nvidia because they invited me. But yeah, I pretty much got a taste of what it's like to be a gaming YouTuber. And another cool thing, guys, is that I actually got to meet the team behind the Nvidia GeForce YouTube channel. They have a great team working over there, so make sure to go check them out. If you want to know how to build this PC from start to finish, if you've never built a PC before, you can use my previous RTX 2070 full build guide and use that as a reference to show you how to build this PC. We're still going to go over all the parts and their prices, and I'm going to be unboxing them and building it in front of you guys. But the building part is going to be a time lapse like in previous build. I got D'Angelo on the camera right there for C-Cam to add a little bit more production quality to the video. So we're gonna be playing Battlefield 5, that's gonna be new to the list. And we're gonna be playing Overwatch, of course, Fortnite, and then CSGO. And we're gonna be playing Rainbow Six Siege. All right, so kicking it off with our motherboard and our CPU. So this is a 6-core processor. It's clocked at 3.7 gigahertz, but it has a max turbo of 4.6 gigahertz. This is part of Intel's 9th generation of CPUs. So the motherboard we chose was from GIGABYTE. We went with the Z390UD. So inside our box, we have two SATA cables to connect drives to our motherboard and our I/O shield. So taking a closer look at our motherboard, as far as the theme we're going with, which is black, gray, and a splash of white, this motherboard will definitely complement our theme. So to cool our i5 processor, we went with the Hyper 212 from Cooler Master. So they totally updated the design, and it's now like all black all around, no silver metal color on display. And they also updated the fan, so it's now RGB. You can change it to any color you please. So yeah, shout out to Cooler Master for updating the look of the Hyper 212. So moving on to our storage selection, guys, we went with a 128GB SSD. We're gonna be using this as our boot drive, so when Windows 10 boots up, it's gonna load up way quicker when it's on our SSD because SSDs are a lot faster than hard drives. To store our games, we went with a 1TB BarraCuda hard drive. Modern games nowadays are really large in size, so we definitely need a lot of storage. So for our RAM, guys, we went with 16 gigs, 2 sticks of 8GB. This is the Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM. It's rated at 3000 megahertz. So to power our entire system, we went with a 600-watt bronze-rated power supply by EVGA. We went with a Firefighter Mickey as our Funko Pop of choice for this build. So we have white carbon fiber vinyl wrap, which is going to be used to wrap our SSD so we could match Mickey. So our final part, our RTX 2060. We paid $350 for it, which is its MSRP. Thumbs up on that, great. So as soon as we open it, it tells us live to game. I admire the attention to detail. So the reason I went with this RTX 2060 is I feel it's gonna match our color theme the best. So my first impressions when taking a look at this RTX 2060, it's just beautiful to me. I think what really makes it stand out is the look of it on its side. Labeled GeForce RTX, we take a look at the back plate, it's labeled live to game, logo looks dope. As far as the ports that this GPU is rocking, we're rocking 1 HDMI port and 3 display ports. So a unique design to this card is the little openings right here. I haven't really seen something like that in a GPU design before. The fans also look nice. You got the logo right there as well. And the color theme, it's gonna match our build. It's rocking a black/silver grayish colorway on this card. Overall, just a real simple, classy look in my opinion. Alright guys, so we're actually going to be doing a part swap. Originally our case choice was the Spec 05 by Corsair. We're going to swap it out with the Spec 06 by Corsair. I also went ahead and picked up an RGB splitter by Cooler Master, so this will allow me to connect more than one RGB device to the motherboard because the motherboard we're using only has one RGB port. So yeah, we're going to pick off right where we left off, but now the total price of the system is closer to $1,100. The full cost of this build will be in the video description, and also every single...
Listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts of diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you.
Alright guys, every single part using this build will be linked in the video description. Last, I want to make sure you guys turn on bell notifications so you can be alerted for when I post future PC builds. We're going to be spicing up the content here on the channel, so expect new things coming in the future. Alright guys, time to put this thing to the test.
Alright guys, we're playing Battlefield 5 now. This is my first time playing Battlefield 5. I'm barely a level 2. I just spawned into the tank and got blown up. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Yay, level 3. We're moving up. Performance is so good though. I'm really pleased with it at ultra settings. Oh, that worked. Can't see anything. Oh look. Nope. You just got a blind fire because I cannot see anything. Oh shoot. Jeez, this is epic. Yes. Yep. No. Oh. Doing it. Ah. Alright, we're still in it. Oh shit.
Come on, Joey. Come on, little Joey.
Oh my god.
My aim so bad. Sorry, bro.
Last operator standing. Op 4 eliminated. Last operator standing.
Whoa, that was awesome, Gabriel. Dance party. Oh, you guys are cool.
One friendly operator
Come
remaining.
on. No.
Shoot him. Shoot him.
No. 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 No.
All friendlies have
This one's a sneaky one, I think. Alright, that worked in my favor. Oh look, a bunch of enemies. That's not. They get him, jerk. Oh my! I'm gonna die. Okay, I'm good. No, I'm not. Ah! Oh yes! I found the gun. Oh yeah, baby. Hang in there, teams. Come on. Alright. Oh. I had a bunch of good stuff. I got a shotgun pump action. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the shotgun. So step number 1, you got a little reticle in the middle. You gotta aim that at the person's, not their cheek, but their chin. Rip. So me and Llama be exploring the beautiful lands of Fortnite. As far as the settings we're playing on, right now we're playing on the ultra settings preset, but later on I'll turn down the settings to competitive settings. Oh, we got challenges approaching. Oh man, keep dying. No W's. Taking L's left and right. Oh, nice moves, bro. All right, guys. So we've been playing Fortnite at the epic settings. We're gonna go ahead and change that to off, medium, apply. All right, we got a lot more FPS. We're in the high 200s.
Whee!
I have a feeling there's people behind me.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, there is. Oh my geez, run away. Yes, got him. Run! Whoa, that's a lot of people. Oh, they have a cart. Oh. Shotgun. Oh, there's a shotgun right there. Time to bounce! Get away from me! I need a shotgun and I need it now. You need help, teammate? I'll try to help you. I'll just slice him. Never mind. Run. Oh, a shotgun. Oh, I got a dancing ball. All right, I'm gonna challenge him. Hey guys. No. No. All right, what's in here? Oh my. That lost a lot of health. How is that guy still alive? All right, he's down. Whoa. Nice job, guys. So last game we're going to be testing out is Modern Warfare 2. We're playing it at 1080p, maxed out settings. If you guys want to be alerted for when I post future PC builds, be sure to turn on the bell notifications for the channel. Oh, this shotgun's crazy. I forgot about the Ranger shotgun. Let's test it out. It's been a while. Yup, it still works. Just like I remembered. So my strategy for going around this area... is you gotta throw a flash. Dude, I think I injured him. I think he's seriously hurt. So to go around this corner, you gotta throw a flashbang, flash them all, and then rush into that building. See, they're all flashed. This guy's flashed. No, there's no one in there. So here comes the dogs. Sorry, Peter. I have to do this. This is what I'm talking about. All right, guys, watch this. I just killed the city. My bad. Whoa. I'm mowing down everyone. No. Oh, the dog just bit my throat. All right, I'm dead. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.